This is the Honey Can Do 5-shelf storage rack, and it is going to be awesome, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up. And the first thing we're going to do is open up the box, and then I recommend you getting some bowls, and you're going to see why. So I'm going to bring 2 bowls out, and here we go. So the first thing that I like to do is get it all organized. So you're gonna find these plastic pieces, but you can just throw these away. These are just for protection for your shelves. So that's why we're gonna put it in one of the bowls. Now you're gonna find some more bags. This bag has the leveling feet that you're gonna put at the bottom of the poles. This bag has screws where you're gonna attach both poles together. This bag, you're gonna open up and put it in the other bowl. And this is gonna be the shelf holders. And it's just gonna be easier for you to work that way. You will also receive this instruction manual that teaches you how easy this is to put together. You're also going to receive 8 poles, 4 for the top and 4 for the bottom. Now, if you don't know how to distinguish between both of them, the one on the top is going to have this top area that's going to be covered. And then it has a threaded piece right here that you're going to thread. And this one also is going to have a threaded piece here. And it's going to have a hole here, and that's where we're going to attach the leveling feet. So this one is going to be at the bottom, and this one is going to be at the top. So that's how you differentiate them. So look how heavy duty these shelves are. And these are going to hold 200 pounds each. Pretty strong and durable, right? Now you can tell that they almost look identical, and you're not going to know which side is up. Well, this is an easy way for you to know. Wherever there's a lip, the lip is going to be facing down. So this is the top of the shelf, and this is going to be the bottom of the shelf. So I've also put these in bowls. This is going to be the shelf holders, and this is now just going to be trash, so you can throw these away. So now I'm going to be putting the leveling feet on to the bottom of these poles right here. And all you have to do is twist. And this is really nice because in case you have uneven flooring in your garage or kitchen pantry, then you can just level it because one side may be a little bit more off on your flooring. Now that we have everything organized, let's begin to assemble. Now, I recommend using it inside on carpet, but if you don't have carpet or if you're going to be doing it outside, I recommend using a blanket. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put these shelf clips around the poles. And it even says here top to top, and they fit together kind of like a puzzle piece, just like this. And we're going to do that for all 4 corners on the poles. And it's really nice because they have notches, so you can just count up high and have them all be even. So here we go. What we're going to do is we're going to get these pieces, and it says top to top, and then we're going to just wrap it around and then wait for it to click in place. Just like that. Perfect. Now that we have the clips onto the poles, we're going to attach our first shelf. And how I mentioned it before, the lip is going to be facing you. That's going to be the bottom of the shelf. So here we go. We're going to thread this through. And then it's going to stop at the clips. Just like that. And last one. And then we're going to flip it over. Perfect. Now we're going to use our body weight and push it down. The nice thing about this is no tools are required. Perfect. Now we're going to do it on the next one. And the nice thing about this is you can adjust it to your specifications. They don't all have to be evenly spaced out on these shelves. So now I'm going to do the next shelf, and I'm going to count 5 from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to clip it around there. That way they're all going to be evenly dispersed. Perfect. Now we're ready to put our next shelf on. And then you're just going to push it down with your weight. Perfect. We're halfway done. Now we're going to thread these on all 4 poles and then attach the other pole as well. Here we go. Okay, so now that we got these threaded on, now we're going to attach the second poles on top. So we're going to just attach it like this. And how easy is this? So each of these are going to hold 200 pounds each. That's a total of 1,000 pounds. These are heavy-duty shelves. And it's really nice that no tools are required. Just use your arm muscles. And last one. Perfect. Okay, so for our next shelf, I'm going to count about 15 high. And now we're going to repeat our steps. And now we're going to attach our next shelf. And then push down on it with your weight. And now we're going to repeat the step again, but this time I want the shelf to be 12 high. Remember, top to top. Perfect, looks about even. But if you accidentally have one side longer than the other, it's okay. You can just pull it off and then redo the step again. Okay, last one, and I'm going to just put this on the top one. They also give you an extra pair of clips just in case. Okay, so this is the moment of truth. It's going to be our last shelf. Ta-da! We are all done. Yay! How simple was that? So this is going to measure 36 inches by 14 inches by 72 inches high. And this is also heavy duty. It will hold a maximum of 1,000 pounds, 200 pounds on each shelf. And this is also very easy to assemble. No tools are required. This is also perfect for your garage, your kitchen pantry, a bedroom, a bathroom, and so much more. This is perfect for home use or commercial office use as well. This was so easy to assemble, right? And as you can see, all the shelves are different heights, and that's okay. It's all up to you. You're the boss, and you can decide what height you need for each shelf, because you may have items that are taller or shorter, so you need to decide what works best for your needs. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.